Okay, good morning. Here we are going to start with a part 3. Okay, concept based engineering class, class 3, part 3. Okay, here we can see that the second part, the design process, the first one is defining a problem, and the second one is to generate the concepts actually. Okay, so how we are going to generate the concepts? Basically, we are generating the concept for a problem is to asking some questions actually to relate with the questions with a lot of questions are there, and asking these questions, then we will answer whether this is happened or this is like for example, is the problem is real or the statement is accurate, or there is a reality in the need for a new solution. Like so much of questions are there, and if we are capable to answer all these questions and the answers is right actually, then we can generate some concept related with the designing. Okay, so first of all, a design engineer should do is to collect all the information available related with the problem. Okay, so what we do is to collect all the information. For example, if you are going to design a heater, then we will collect all the related documents with the heaters available in the market, technical writing notes, or maybe there's some catalogs or etc. So all the information available related with the problem, like the problem is actually to make a heater. Okay, some particular heater, then what will be the data is available, like for example, what will be the heater is how cost is actually existing heater is available or not, or like a lot of questions we are asked actually. So we collect all the available relation, I mean all the available data we are collecting, relative data we are collecting and related with that problem. Then we will the novice designer skip the step and the produce the alternative solution. What is exactly the novice designer? Novice designer means a new designers, they have lack of experience. That means no experienced designer. They will skip the steps actually, they collecting the data. Many steps they will skip because they are inexperienced. So they will skip many steps, and they will avoid the data collection in the, or they will it's not their problem actually. It is their lack of experience. They don't recognize the problem actually. So they will skip many steps, and they will found an alternative solution. Okay, if some problem is there and they will find okay, this problem, they don't have an experience, so they will not find out the correct way. So that is the problem, and gathering the pertinent informations can reveal the fact about the problem, and which can result a redefinition. That means gathering the pertinent information, it means that we are something like a something like a problem is there, for example, a heater is, we have to make a heater, and the relation with the heater itself, a lot of questions will be there, what should be the temperature, what should be the cost, and what should be the material. Okay, many questions are there, so related with that questions actually, that particular questions, that is a gather the pertinent information. That means the information related to the certainly that heater related questions that can reveal the fact about the problems, and they can result a new redefinition, okay, this heater is failed, okay, this heater is not enough for us, then we will redefine that one actually. Okay, if we are putting something extra component in that one, then we can make a new type. Okay, or we can simply, like for example, if in a small circuit is there actually, if we are providing a resistance, in older time we are using the vacuum type, and nowadays we are using the carbon related means small resistance we are provided, carbon resistance we are provided, semiconductors are provided, we are giving some new ideas into that one actually. Okay, now sometimes we it is see that some mistakes or the faults made by the other designers, like for example, some product is already generated, or some product is already in the market, and it's having some fault in the folder, and the users will find out, or maybe the new designers maybe find out that okay, if this is the problem, this is like for example, some cars are there, manufacturers having some making some mistakes. And what happens, they will recall the cars, like for example, I think some Hyundai cars are or some Renault cars, or some problems will be there, and they recall their cars, and they redefined the problem, and then they find a new solution, and then they will provide it. Okay. And so if the problem is new one, suppose we are thinking the problem is a new one, and there is no such a problem in there, and there is no such a product is available in there, then all these questions are useless actually. Okay. So we can't ask these questions to them. Okay, because it is a new one. So what are the questions we are asking? Okay. So is the problem is real and a statement is accurate? The first problem is whether the problem is real, actually that problem is there or not, or its a statement is inaccurate. For example, suppose in this there is a room, and we need a heater, and that heater should have some particular temperature, and should be cut off automatically, and like something like a new problem is arise there. And if it is a real, okay, we need it actually, that's a real, and it is an accurate problem. Then next one is there is a reality, a need for a new solution, or it has the already been solved. Okay, suppose there is a really a need for a new solution, suppose we have to design a new one, or there will be existing solutions are already there or not. Maybe some heaters are available, the particular heaters are available in the market, or maybe we have to design a new one. Okay, and what are the existing solutions to the problem? Now next question is, what is the existing solutions are available? Like for example, if there is a room, and there will be some certain type of heater should be there. For example, yeah, okay, suppose you imagine that there is an experiment is going on, and in that experiment they are particularly used oxygen gas cylinder. Okay. And oxygen, you know that it's a highly inflammable, and if the heater is used to provide to preheat that heat, oxygen, and you know that means heating, and the heater should be very safety. Okay, otherwise what happens, a little spark or little heat will absorb the oxygen, and it will be burn out. Okay. So that is why we have to specialize the heater actually. Okay, some special type of heater it is needed to preheat that time, that type of means material, means oxygen or hydrogen or something like that, and to preheat that one, some certain amount of certain type of special type of heaters is required actually. So what are the existing solution to the problem? Maybe there will not be such a type of heaters that are available in the market. Okay, so what we can do, like we have to design a new one. Okay. Now what is wrong the way the problem is currently being solved? Okay, maybe we are solving a problem, but there will be some mistake, we cannot find a clear solution. So we have to find what is the wrong in my solution, and what is the wrong in my method. Okay, and what is the right about it, and we also have to find out the right thing. Okay, whether my solution is accurate or not, we have to find the right thing in there. And what are the companies manufacture the existing solution? Suppose a company is there, and that company is manufacturing the same heater which is we required actually. And we are going to asking, and we are going to buy it, and what is the, and we have to understand, I'm a designer, if I am a designer, then I have to find out that whether that existing solution is existing heater is really adaptable for my work actually. Okay, and we have to, so what are the companies, which companies are they are producing? See, suppose you are you want to buy a bulb. Okay, and a bulb, then you will think, okay, LED bulbs are a lot of available, or bulbs are there. And suppose you imagine that, okay, a local, whether you purchase a local manufacturing bulb, or a Philips, or like that type of companies, you are branded companies you are purchasing. Of course you are purchasing a branded one, because you are you know that about the branded one is a good one, and it will live long, and it won't make any disturbance, or it won't make any problems, create your problems in your home. So we will purchase a branded one, isn't it? So and what are the economic factors governing to the solution? Okay, so then next we think about this economic factors, like how we can reduce the manufacturing cost, how we can purchase a good one. I mean, there will be some materials we have to purchase to maintain. So what is the economic side? Okay, now how much will the pupil pay for the solution to the problem? Next, because we suppose manufacturing, and suppose you imagine that there will be a bulb manufacturing. We are designing a new type of bulb, and its manufacturing cost is around 5,000 rupees. Suppose, like, I mean, we are providing something Wi-Fi or something like, etc., etc. Then and we are selling it in a 5,000 rupees. Whether any people will buy it or not, I think, of course, they will not buy it, because uh, 5,000 rupees and an LED bulb, a small single LED bulb having a Wi-Fi. Oh, no, 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 because they will find, the people will find another solution. I mean, like, they will find another Wi-Fi or something like that. Suppose you imagine that an LED bulb now marketly available, that the color changing LED bulb with having a speaker is inside. Okay, inside speaker, that is music and light is included. Both are there, and the light color you can change by using the remote. Now I think I saw that in a company provides around 600 rupees in that one, and another company like Cisca company, it's a branded one, and which is provide around 2000 something like that way. So whether which one you will buy it, whether the branded one or the local one, of course, you will buy it in a branded one, but the cost is actually very high. So that is why majority people will buy it the local one, isn't it? Because it is around 300 to 400 rupees, and the other thing is around 2000 rupees. Okay, I mean, 20-25% will purchase in the Cisco branded one, and the others will, most of them will purchase the local one. So that is why the manufacturing cost and the people buy it or not, we have to find that one actually. And finally, what will be the factors in the important other factors? What are the important, like the other factors means the safety, aesthetics, and the environmental issues. Suppose is the product is an environmentally not reliable, or I mean environmentally some problems created. For example, in earlier times, the baby diapers, okay, the baby diapers are actually in the earlier times, I too faced the problem because in my home, my little baby child is also using that one, and disposing is very problem. I mean, disposing is very problem about this baby diaper. And what happens is that, I mean, this environmental issues will come. Okay, but it is എന്താ പറയാ, നമുക്ക് ഉപേക്ഷിക്കാൻ വയ്യാത്തതാണ്. So that is why we are using it. But we know that it creates environmental problems, baby diapers. But biodegradable baby diapers are upcoming. I mean, is coming around. So that is why most of the high people, they will purchase it. But the എന്താ പറയാ, in the low living cost, or the medium people, or the medium level alkar, they won't use it because it's higher, cost is very higher. So that is why biodegradable they won't use. But the ordinary they will use, because it's manufacturing for a single diaper, it is around below the 10 rupees, but biodegradable is around I think 50 or 100 rupees, around that way. So that is why the cost and environmental issues also is there. Okay, so if we designing something, we have to understand that whether it is coming, there is coming any environmental issues or any safety, okay, etc. So okay, so this is all coming around this generating the concept. Okay, so I think hope you will understand the things in a proper manner, and we'll see next part actually.